Good morning all of you. Today we will learn how to draw toucan bird. Okay, so the required material is your pencil erasers, black sketch pen and your crayons color. Okay, I will draw with sketch pen. You have to start with pencil. So let's start. First of all, what you will do, let's make frame first. You can take help of scale. Draw frame like this. Now what we will do, we'll make a curved line from this part to the end of the page. Okay, so let's start. Little bit curve. We're drawing branch. Like this. Okay, now what you will do, from here you will start C. We will draw C shape like this. C curve shape बनाइए मैंने हल्की सी. Okay, now we will draw straight line. Till here. Now again you will draw curve like this. Okay, now we'll make the beak. Beak के लिए what you have to do, it will be straight line like this. Okay, हल्का सा curve करेंगे यहाँ से like this. We will join this. One curve line, two, three like this, and again we'll make a circle, small circle here and a big circle around this for an eye. Okay, from here now we'll draw the eye part. See, this is oval shape. Oval shape draw करनी है आपको. Now what you will do, you will draw U shape, tilt U shape here like this, and you draw zigzag lines. Now for the tail, one curve from here and one curve from here, and we will join like this. Okay, your bird is ready. Now we will draw the branch. और branch बनाएंगे हम. We'll start the branch from here. It will go upward like this. V shape. Again one V shape here like this. Okay, now we'll draw the leaves like this. One, two, three. This is the diagonal shape. One more leaf here. One, two, three. One, two, three. We'll start from the beak. Now we'll start the coloring. First I'm using black color. Don't leave white space, just cover it properly. See, black, then use orange. The beak is colorful. Do it properly, neatly. Like this you will complete the beak. Now we will do color in eye. Outer part you will do light green. From inside you will do black color in eye, and in body also you will do black color like this. See, this way you will cover the body with the black color. Now we will use brown color for the branch. Like this. See, we'll complete branch like this. In leaves we will use light green. See, our green leaves are ready. Now in the background, what you can do, you can use light blue also. I'm using dark green here. It's up to you. You can use light blue or dark green. Like this you will cover the background. Like this you will complete your bird. Do it neatly and please do share in the group. Thank you and have a good day.